I'm an innocent man, I'm an innocent person. Our country is going to hell, and they come after Donald Trump, weaponizing the Justice Department, weaponizing the FBI.
The unsealing of the indictment against former US President Donald Trump may well have sealed his fate. It makes the circumstances of the removal of these documents from White House like something a common thief might get up to, accept that we are talking here about the removal of nuclear secrets and other highly sensitive data by a former president. The indictment says that Trump hid these in his bathroom, in his shower, in his ballroom, in his bedroom. And we're talking here about at least 100 highly sensitive files among the lot, and this included content such as plans for possible retaliatory attacks. Trump sat on classified files in about 13,000 of them since he left the White House, and the indictment shows stacks of these in his house. Trump was caught and pursued only when the National Archives saw that these files were missing, and Trump then refused to hand them over, hiding them all over the place in his home. There is a very clear suggestion that this has led to conversations with people not given security clearance, and that is believed to have been about Iran and the war in Ukraine. One of the aides of Trump who worked with him in the White House has also been charged. He worked in the White House and then joined Trump at Mar-a-Lago, and he has been charged with lying over the movement and the content of these files. Jack Smith, who heads the prosecution, has said he will seek a speedy trial. Trump is due to be produced in court in Miami on Tuesday, where he is due to be arrested and arraigned, though it will not be an arrest of the handcuffing kind. This now is not more of the usual circus of the Trump kind. This could prove very serious for him.
We have one set of laws in this country, and they apply to everyone.
U.S. Special Counsel Jack Smith, the lead prosecutor in the case against Donald Trump alleging he mishandled classified U.S. documents, said on Friday that the former president had been indicted for violations of national security laws, which he said put the country at risk.
Today, an indictment was unsealed, charging Donald J. Trump with felony violations of our national security laws, as well as participating in a conspiracy to obstruct justice. This indictment was voted by a grand jury of citizens in the Southern District of Florida. Our laws that protect national defense information are critical to the safety and security of the United States, and they must be enforced. Violations of those laws put our country at risk.
His brief 2.5-minute press conference followed the unsealing of 37 criminal counts on Friday, related to Trump's retention of some of the country's most sensitive security secrets after he left the White House in 2021. According to the indictment, some classified documents were found in a bathroom, on a ballroom stage, and in a storage room at his Mar-a-Lago estate in Florida. The federal indictment also said that some documents included information about the secretive U.S. nuclear program and potential domestic vulnerabilities in the event of an attack. Trump also allegedly discussed with lawyers the possibility of lying to government officials seeking to recover the documents. According to the 49-page indictment, Trump said to one of his attorneys, quote, "Wouldn't it be better if we just told them we don't have anything here?" Trump has proclaimed his innocence in the case and took to his Truth Social platform after the charges were unsealed to attack Special Counsel Smith, saying, quote, "He is a Trump hater, a deranged psycho that shouldn't be involved in any case having to do with justice." At an event in North Carolina on Friday, President Joe Biden distanced himself from the federal indictment of his political rival.
President Biden, have you spoken to Attorney General Merrick Garland yet?
I have not spoken to him at all. I'm not going to speak to him. I have no comment on what happened.
Trump is due to make his first court appearance in the case in a Miami court on Tuesday. A former aide, Walt Natta, faces charges in the case as well. Earlier on Friday, two of the former president's lawyers, John Rowley on the left here and Jim Trusty on the right, quit the case for reasons that were not immediately clear.